Good afternoon, boys. How are you doing today? Did you enjoy coloring the balloon and the flower yesterday in book number 8? Yes, I have seen your coloring. Many of you have done it so beautifully. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Today Balu said that he has a surprise for us. What surprise? Teacher doesn't know. Shall we wait and see what Balu is going to bring us? Whoa! Oh my God! Who is this? We have a lion in the class. Whoa! Whoa! Balu! Is that a lion, boys? Or is it Balu? Naughty boy Balu? Huh? You're trying to scare everybody in the class? Who is this, boys? This is the mask of a lion. And who is the lion? The lion is the king of the jungle. Look at him. Lion. Lion. Okay, Balu? No scaring anybody, okay? Yes? Okay, very good. Now, Balu, you told me you had some surprise. What surprise did you bring for us? Lots of them. What is that? He's got lots of surprises. What surprise? Let's wait and see. Balu? Oh, Balu is carrying something. Can you see this, boys? Oh, Balu, can I hold it for you? Yes. What is this, boys? Can you see this? Balu, can you tell the boys what it is? Yes. Boys, can you tell me? Yes, this is a lock. We put the lock on our door. When we go outside, Mummy and Papa lock the door and then we go out. Yes. So this is the lock that we put on our door. Lock. Lock. Very good. Balu, what's our next surprise? Ta-da! What is this, boys? Oh, Balu, what is this? Can you see, boys? What is this? This is a lamp. Lamp. Balu, what do we use this lamp for? Boys, do you know? Balu, do you know? Yes, when we study, when it is night and then you need the light to study, we put on this button and we get the light on here. Yes, so this is a study lamp which you can use when you study. So lamp. Balu, lamp. Very good. Balu, what is our next surprise? Balu? Oh my God, what a beautiful leaf. Can you see this, boys? Balu, where did you get the leaf from? From the tree. Oh yes, this is a beautiful green colored leaf. Leaf. Yes, very nice. And Balu has something else. Oh, Balu, what are you putting in the mouth, Balu? Boys, see what he's eating. What is this? Balu, stop it. Show it to the boys now. Lollipop. All of us like to eat the lollipop. Lollipop. Yes. Now, children, Balu, any more surprises? No, he doesn't have any more surprises. So now let's all go back to all the surprises that he brought for us. First, he showed us a lion. Lion. Then we had lamp. Lock. lock. Yes. Then we had l, leaf. Yes. And last, something very, very special was l, lollipop. Balu wants to still eat the lollipop. Now, does this all sound very familiar? Yes, l. Yes, today we are learning the letter L. What are we learning? The letter L. This is capital L or big L. This is small l. Big L, small l. Okay? And L has a sound to it. And what does the sound? What does L say? L says L. L. What is the sound of L? L. L says L. 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 Lion. L. L. Lamp. L. L. Lock. L. L. Leaf. Leaf. L. L. Our most favorite lollipop. Yes. So L says L. Now teacher has all these pictures together on a pad. Okay. Now let's all say together with Balu. Come on, let's say. L for lollipop. L lollipop. L for lion. L lion. L for lock. L lock. L for ladder. L ladder. And L for lamp. L lamp. Very good, boys. We have learnt so many new words with L. There are many more. You can go and search for them with your papa and mummy. Okay. Now, how do we write big L? We have to learn how to write big L. Now, for that, we will do a standing line, a long standing line, and a short sleeping line. Okay. Now, let's all do with your fingers. Come on. Standing line, a long standing line, short sleeping line. Come on, once again, let's write the capital L, the big L. Long standing line, short sleeping line. Very good, boys. So, we have the capital letter L and the small letter L. And what is the sound of the letter L? L. L says L. Okay. Now, what do we do first? We shall go and open book number 6. Okay. We open book number 6 to this page. And we shall read all these pictures. Yes, with your mama and papa's help, you will look at all these pictures and you will say what they are. L says L, lollipop, L, lion, L, ladder, L, lock, L, lamp. Very good. Once we finish reading this, then what do we have to do? Yes, we have to write. And we are going to write in our book number 1. Okay, book number 1, we open this page. And what do we see here, boys? Lion. Okay. Now, you will tell mama or papa to draw any picture with letter L here. And you will color it. Okay. Then you are going to write this full page of letter L. Then turn the page and write on this side also. Okay, boys? Very good. And how do we write letter L? All my boys tell me. How do we write letter L? Standing line, sleeping line. Long standing line, short sleeping line. Very good. Now once you finish your writing in book number 1, we will open book number 3. Okay, book number 3. Yes, and on this side you can tell mummy or papa to either draw something with letter L or stick a picture, and on this side you will write the letter L. Now see, teacher has a lollipop, so I will put lollipop this side. Okay, and on this side you will write the letter L. Is that easy, boys, or is it difficult? Easy, no? Yes, my boys are so smart. Very good. So now, before we all say goodbye, shall we once again recap all that we learned today? Yes? Come on, now let's see. L for lion. Lion. L for lollipop. Lollipop. L for lock. Lock. L for ladder. Ladder. And L for lamp. Lamp. Very good, Baloo. And how does the letter L look? L looks like this. This is the capital L. This is the small l. Capital L, small l. And how do we write letter L, boys? A long standing line, short sleeping line. Long standing line, short sleeping line. Very good. And what is the sound of the letter L? What does L say? L says L. Okay. Very good, boys. Now teacher will see you tomorrow. Let's say bye. Bye, Baloo.